Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So I'm so excited to announce that Innova came out with the new product, and it's their 1000 series scanner that they sent me one over, and I'm so excited to use it. So let me explain a little bit about this. So I'm a big fan of the 5610. I use it in every diagnostic that I need to for the vehicles that I've been using for my YouTube videos lately. And this thing pretty much does almost the exact same thing. The only difference is it doesn't have its own LCD screen. It does turn my own phone into the scanner itself. So let me show you the device. So you see the small little thing, it's OBD2 port only, connects directly to the port, and it runs through the application Repair Solutions 2, and it literally does all system scan for the vehicle, pulls up all the codes, can delete them. It even does pretty advanced stuff like the reset and relearn procedures for the vehicle as well, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm actually going to show you guys how it looks like through my phone when I pair it up. And okay, so right over here to the side, we see how it's pairing directly to the scanner, and success. All of the displays are functioned very differently versus when I have the 5610 connected to the application, but it still performs the same task. So if we check here, it still checks all the engine codes, whole system scan, reads codes, erases codes. It can tell you if your vehicle is smog ready. It also has live data, which I thought that was pretty cool that they were able to integrate that into this scanner. They also do service checks, service functions, and even vehicle care. So the car that I am in right now, guys, is my mom's 2014 Toyota Camry, and I'm curious enough to see what exactly is it going to recommend, because I definitely think that it is time for me to give my mom's car a tune-up. She definitely needs it. And if we look here, they're only recommending 2 items, so the engine's air filter and the spark plugs. And I think it's actually pretty cool is how they make it so easy for you to get the things that you need. So for example, I'm gonna hit on parts detail for the engine's air filter, and it's gonna send me to the link on Amazon, and it's gonna give me a bunch of different products to choose from. And I'm gonna go with, let's say, probably whatever is the cheapest, right? But I'm gonna go with Fram. It gets here the next day, so that's definitely what I'm interested in, something that's gonna come as soon as possible. And might as well, if I'm already getting the engine's air filter, I should already get the spark plugs as well. So I'm going to go back to the application. Since that's already in my cart, I'm going to hit on the spark plugs parts detail section, and it's going to send me to also a few different products that I can choose from the same Amazon link. And well, for this vehicle, I need iridium spark plugs. So I'm going to go with a premiums pack. It comes with 4. It also arrives here the next day. And just one little tip, guys, make sure that all the information of the vehicle is set on this link, or well, on Amazon, because it's actually 2 different websites. So whatever you set for the information on the vehicle on the application, which is Repair Solutions 2, isn't going to work for Amazon. So make sure that Amazon also has all of the information needed from the vehicle, just so that they can refer the correct parts to you, because then if not, you're going to get the wrong parts, and then you're probably going to be upset. So alright, so I double checked that all the items are correct in the cart, and now I can place my order. Perfect. So now I can go ahead and pick it up tomorrow at a drop-off box. Makes it easier than just getting it sent here, because if it was getting sent to where I live, then it definitely is going to take longer than just a day. It's probably going to take like 2 or 3 days. So alright, nice. There we go. There we have it. So, well,
24 hours later.
guys, so I just went to the Dropbox this morning, and I'm so excited because I got the package. So now I have everything that I will need for this tune-up. Let's get started. Look at that. It's pretty bad. last official item to replace on the list is the spark plugs. But I also ordered coils too, so during this process I'm also going to replace those as well. Kind of wouldn't make sense just to replace the spark plugs and not the coils, so we'll get it all done together. So these spark plugs from A Premium, they are iridium, and it says in the box that they do not come pre-gapped. So even if it's stated that they do, it's always good to double check just to make sure that they are pre-gapped according to the spec of the vehicle. So for a 2014 Toyota Camry running on an automatic engine, they have to be pre-gapped to 0.044. So that is what I'm going to double check these at. Barely there. And there we have it. All brand new spark plugs and coils. Now it's time to double check the work. I'm gonna go turn on the car, make sure everything is running smooth right before I can go ahead and put on the engine cover and pretty much call it a night. Sounds about right. There we have it, guys. This concludes the tune-up for my mom's car, and major shout out to Innova for designing the 1000 series and makes it so much easier to get into the Repair Solutions 2 app, which I am such a big fan of. But thank you guys again, and until the next episode. Bye. Peace out.